Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by ensuring both devices can see each other on the same network. First, check your iPhone and Mac are on the same Wi-Fi and that flights or hotspots are off. Next, enable AirPlay receiver on the Mac in System Settings under General, then AirPlay and Handoff. This allows your Mac to accept streams. Once done, open Control Center on the iPhone and locate Screen Mirroring. You're ready to pick the Mac that just appeared in the list. Now you connect and adjust settings so content looks right. From the iPhone's Control Center, tap Screen Mirroring and choose your Mac. If the Mac shows a 4-digit code, enter it on the iPhone to authorize the session. After connecting, use the AirPlay icon on the Mac menu bar to pick Display Behavior, Mirror at Native Scale, use the Mac as a separate display, or expand Desktop. Make sure audio routes to Mac if you want sound through its speakers. To finish, return to Control Center and tap Stop Mirroring. You can also disconnect from the menu bar AirPlay icon on Mac. If playback is laggy, try moving closer to the router, switching to 5 GHz or temporarily disabling VPNs. These reduce latency. If your Mac never appears, make sure AirPlay receiver remains enabled, sign out and back into iCloud on both devices to refresh Discovery, and reboot the Mac. These steps resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.